What contests can a pop-up drink stand host? A pop-up drink stand can host things like fastest sip challenges, blind taste test contests, best recipe naming contests, and loyalty punch card giveaways to bring in repeat customers and create buzz around the stand. Think of your drink stand like a lemonade stand that got a bit more creative. A fastest sip challenge is where two people race to finish a small sample drink, and whoever finishes first without spilling wins a prize like a free refill. A blind taste test contest is fun because you cover people's eyes or use a blindfold and have them guess what flavor they are drinking, which gets people laughing and talking about your stand to their friends. Something most people do not know is that adding a punch card contest, where customers collect stamps for each visit and the 10th stamp gets them a free drink, actually works better than big prizes because it brings people back again and again instead of just one time. You could also let customers vote on a new flavor name and give the winner a free drink for a whole month, which makes them feel like they are part of your brand. The key is picking a contest that takes less than 1 minute so it does not slow down your line during busy hours. One common mistake is making contests too complicated so people give up halfway through, and the fix is to keep the rules to one simple sentence you say out loud. Another thing to watch for is forgetting to have a backup prize ready, since running out of prizes mid-contest makes customers upset, so always keep a few extra items behind the counter just in case. A lot of stands also forget to take pictures or videos during the contest, and that content is what helps you get new customers online, so always have someone ready with a phone to capture the fun moments. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.